Alright, well the striker counter has been really hard to read lately. I don't even know if you can see it at all. Especially in the bright sunlight, I can't hardly even read it. If you go ahead and put my cover on, you might be able to see it. So it's time to replace the battery. That's the first time I had to replace the battery after 6 years, I think. Anyway, so we're going to take this off. Now, this is put on by friction, and when you take it off, you want to make sure you turn it clockwise so you don't unscrew the pressure cartridge, which still has some gas in it. So I'm going to carefully rotate this clockwise. So that's all it's doing is tightening this more. So if we did it counterclockwise, it would unscrew it and let the gas out. So I'm using my little mini screwdriver here to pry this top off. So we can get that in there. There it comes. So I'm using my rubber gloves. I don't want to get any human smell on this trap as much as possible. So little pliers to pull out the striker thing. So it's a little printed circuit board, and it's got a button on it. That's what the button is, and then it's got a battery compartment. Pull this out. So it's a Sony. Well, this is a Synergy CD Mergery. Anyway, it's a lithium cell, 3-volt lithium cell, CR1632. Here's my new one. It's a Sony. That's the one I was thinking of. Push that in there. You can see the color. You see it's a lot brighter now. So push the button. It's much brighter. So you slide it back in. And the way this works, it has an accelerometer on it. That's what to do that chip right there. And when the trap trips, it vibrates this counter here, and then it tells you that it went off. So again, we're putting this on clockwise to make it only make it tighter. You don't want it too far. You want it a little bit away from the trap itself, so it vibrates more. So if it's right next to it, it might not vibrate enough to go off. So now we can easily read it. It resets to 0 when you change the battery. So that's how you change the battery on your A24 striker.
If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Post a comment if you have any questions or ideas, and I'll try to respond. That's all for now, but more videos are coming, and if you want to see them, please subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification icon if you don't want to miss one. This is A24 Rat signing out, and keep looking up.